Hello everyone, I hope you had a good start into the new week. As you might remember, we were in Germany last week, and to be precise, we were in Hamburg. So this week we're gonna focus on Germany, or Hamburg as well, of course, and on Wednesday I'll be giving you a design tip of the Bauhaus style. Now, I'm a real lover of classic furniture, so I'll be giving you some ideas there. On Thursday, I'll be giving you the details of the hotel that we stayed in. Absolutely fabulous. The Sir Nikolai. It's not just because of the great design, the warm welcome when you arrive, and the really cozy bed, they're really great beds, but also the location of the hotel itself. If you want, you can discover Hamburg all by foot. You don't need to take a taxi, so that's very nice. So that'll be Thursday. Now don't be sad, don't be disappointed, but on Friday I'll not give you a recipe, but I will post the recipe of the fondue bread that I made yesterday, so don't worry about that, but that'll come sometime this week. But on Friday, because you were in Hamburg, I'll be giving you the list of the 11 most eaten things in Hamburg. And of course, the hamburger, very popular as well. And there is still a dispute of who invented the hamburger. Now, I don't know about you, but I believe it could be the version of Hamburg itself, that the dockers used to take a piece of meat or fish and put it in a roll. And that's how the origin started of the hamburger. And the Americans just copied it, if you ask me. But that's my opinion. Anyway, who cares? Then something to food waste. I mean, I don't know about you, but I used to throw a lot of food away, and I think it's just a sin. So I've made myself a little regime. I write down for each day of the week what I'd like to cook, what I like to eat, or what we would fancy to eat. So I've got my little recipes. Normally I'll do a soup at lunchtime, and in the evening I'll do something a little bit more hearty. And then I'll check my pantry and my fridge, exactly, or my freezer, and see if I have the ingredients at home. And if I don't, I just buy those things I need for the dishes I want to cook. In that way, I only buy things I really need, and not just because I fancy, oh, this looks good, oh, the figs look good, oh, let's buy this, and at the end I really don't know what I'm going to do with them, and then they stay in the fridge and get stale and I chuck them away. So to prevent that, I only buy what I actually need for my cooking. So maybe that helps you too. I think it's a good idea to minimize food waste. And of course, I also think that we shouldn't stop eating meat. If you fancy your meat, then I think you should eat it, but I think we should just consider of eating less. So that's sort of my idea, my philosophy. So if you like, you can catch up on all my tips and tricks on my website, designandtravel.guide or designandtravel.com. And it's all free, so don't worry. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next week with some more design tips and cooking tips. Have a lovely week. Bye.